AI is evolving at a pace that terrifyingly outstrips human comprehension. At the same time, the global financial system is stuck in the 1970s. But there is a collision coming. When these two forces collide, they won't just change the market, they will rebuild the entire digital economy. Today, we are breaking down why XRP and artificial intelligence are the inevitable infrastructure of tomorrow. To understand the solution, we must first deeply understand the problem. The legacy financial system runs on banking hours. It takes days to settle cross-border payments. It relies on trust between slow, bureaucratic institutions. Now, contrast that with artificial intelligence. An AI agent doesn't sleep. It doesn't take weekends off. It operates in milliseconds. When an AI needs to execute a transaction, it cannot wait 3 days for a swift transfer to clear. This creates a massive bottleneck. You have 21st century intelligence trying to run on 20th century rails. It simply doesn't work. The friction is too high, and the cost is too great. Enter XRP. It is crucial to understand what XRP actually is. It is not just another cryptocurrency. It is a bridge asset designed specifically to solve the liquidity problem. It settles transactions in 3 to 5 seconds, not days, seconds. Imagine it as a universal translator for money. If an AI in Japan wants to pay a service in Brazil, it doesn't need to route through 4 correspondent banks. It converts yen to XRP, moves instantly across the ledger, and converts XRP to real. Frictionless. And it scales. The XRP Ledger can handle 1,500 transactions per second, with negligible energy costs. This is the kind of efficiency that a machine-driven economy demands. Bitcoin is too slow. Traditional banking is too expensive. This brings us to the machine economy. In the near future, machines will pay other machines. Your self-driving car will pay for its own parking. Your smart fridge will order and pay for groceries. Autonomous drones will settle delivery fees in real time. These are often microtransactions, fractions of a cent. You cannot use a credit card network for this. The fees would eat the entire value. You need a ledger that supports high-volume, low-value payments instantly. That is the XRP Ledger's home turf. As we deploy autonomous AI agents to manage supply chains, optimize energy grids, and balance financial portfolios, they need a native digital currency. They need a system that speaks their language. Math and code, not bureaucracy. Let's talk about trust. AI systems require immutable data. They need to know that a record wasn't tampered with. The XRP Ledger provides a decentralized, immutable record of truth. It gives AI a reliable memory that no single entity controls. This brings us back to the concept of infrastructure. We are laying the fiber optics of value. Just as the Internet Protocol TCP/IP allowed information to move freely, the XRP Ledger allows value to move freely. Most people miss these infrastructure plays because they aren't flashy on the surface. They happen in the plumbing. But by the time you see the skyscraper, the foundation was poured years ago. We are in the foundation phase right now. The convergence of XRP and AI is not a matter of if, but when. The efficiency gains are simply too massive to ignore. The financial institutions that adopt this will outpace those that don't by orders of magnitude. This is your wake-up call. Study the infrastructure. Understand the mechanics. Don't get distracted by the noise. The future is automated, instant, and intelligent. If you want to stay ahead of this curve, make sure to subscribe. We'll continue to break down these complex systems into clear, actionable insights. Welcome to the new economy.